Merry Christmas! Yan, Happy Christmas, sabi nga nila dito. Yan. Tapos na kami magsimba, katatapos lang namin magsimba. So, inihintay lang namin yung aming niluluto. Yan. Nagano lang kami. Bumili lang kami sa Marks and Spencer's ng aming Noche Buena. Yan.
Tinatagluto.
Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, busy si Jocelyn na today. Off siya sa trabaho pero yan, busy. Yan ang aming inihintay. Yun oh. Ilang minuto pa ba? 7:30. So, ang katerno niyan, meron tayong sausage roll. Yan, ang laki. Tapos meron tayong meatballs, pigs in a blanket, roast potato. May nagbigay sa atin ng kutsinta. Salamat po. Yan, tapos meron tayong gulay. Yan. Tapos ito yung sauce ng ating beef Wellington. So tomorrow naman gagawa si Joe ng sampelot. Bilo-bilo. Yan, meron tayong ingredients para bukas. Yan, gata, sago. Yon. Naghihintay na tayo. Paskong Pasko. Yan, habang hinihintay natin yung yan ang ambience natin. Yan. Yung dalawang bata naman, naghihintay na sila. Yan. Yan ang mga gifts. Bukas natin bubuksan ang mga gifts natin. Yan. Yan. Anong oras na? 9:30. Oh, Merry Christmas muna kayo sa mga natin, relatives.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Philippines. Yan. So, yan, nagsimba na kami kanina. Nakita nga namin ng aming mga kaibigan sa church. Sila paring Francis. Merry Christmas. Shout out sa inyo. Yan. Tsaka kami nagpa-picture dun sa altar, dun sa manger. Tapos, magkikita-kita kami bukas. Kami mga magbabarkada, magkukumpare, kumare. Yan. Magbibingko tomorrow. Tapos kainan. So kami naman na magno-Noche Buena lang. Tapos magre-relax para bukas kahit late kami gumising, okay lang. Yun. Tapos na ang ating beef Wellington. Wow. So iinit naman natin yung Iinit naman natin yung
gagawa ko na
roast potato tsaka tong
pudding.
Yorkshire pudding.
We need to get that out and stand it for
Ang dami natin pagkain hanggang bukas na yan, no? Yun, no?
Oh.
Ooh. Wow. Yun! Wala pa tayong gravy.
Gawa ka na ng gravy. Yan, iinit natin yan.
Ooh. Sparkling! Non-alcoholic to Walang alcohol.
So does that mean I can drink it?
Do you want one? It's non-alcoholic.
No thanks.
Does that mean I can have it?
Yeah, you can have kuya.
What about,
Yeah, you can have.
what about me?
Let me try. Lovely.
But there's a little
Mm.
sweet.
Mmm.
non-alcoholic, I told you.
Nice tangy steak.
Can I have some?
So our gravy is just bisto. Yan.
Hindi, meron siyang gravy.
Pero ito yung sauce nung ano, no? Beef Wellington, no?
Oo.
We have to slice this, right?
Yeah.
Yun. Gutom na yung mga bata kasi hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. We had sandwich kaninang 5 o'clock, no?
Yeah, during tea time.
Oh.
Tea time.
Yan ang ambience natin, oh. Yun. So yan, yearly kaming 4 lang pagka Christmas Eve. Buti nga bukas wala akong pasok, kaya okay. Walang pressure bukas, so relax lang pagkagising. Yan.
Ooh.
Alright, so after
You know? Yeah.
birthday Jesus.
Happy birthday, Papa Jesus.
Yun, no? Ayos! Oh, yung isa, tignan mo, wala lang.
Comes by the pastry. Oh wow.
It's nice, no?
It's a bit spicy.
Kuya Seb has been requesting for this, beef Wellington. Mommy, why don't we try a different menu? Kasi nga sa atin, typically, pag Christmas ganyan, yan yung mga spaghetti, mga pasta, yung mga macaroni salad. Eh kasi
Hamon.
hamon, ham. May mga times naman kasi na naluluto natin yon on a regular day. So, to make it extra special, sabi niya mag-request daw siya ng beef Wellington. Sabi ko, sige, we will try. Hindi naman tayo araw-araw kumakain nito.
Oo nga.
Pasko naman, so pagbigyan naman natin yung mga sarili natin. Treat
Thanksgiving na natin to. Thanksgiving.
Yes.
Right, with
Thank you for all the blessings na nare-receive natin.
pastry.
Yan. You know?
It's really nice. Is it worth it?
Nako, papikit-pikit pa to, oh.
Like chicken bake, but way better.
For,
Merry Christmas!
kain muna kami. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.
We'll wrap up the others in fridge.
Sulit itong beef Wellington, no? Sarap, no?
Masarap.
What can you say?
That was really good.
Masarap.
Masarap?
Masarap.
Tignan mo.
Really good.
Ooh! What did you say?
I'm really full. Really good.
Did you like it?
I really did.
Rate it. 10 out of 10.
Yes. 10 out of 10.
11.
Now we can get our pudding.
Very filling.
Tiramisu.
Ako, ninanamnam ko talaga yung yung aking beef.
So filling, Dad's not done.
In an hour and 15 minutes, it's gonna
O yan,
be
pudding
Christmas.
time na tayo.
Tikman natin tong
Tikman natin yung tiramisu.
cheesecake.
Caramel cheesecake tiramisu. Yan.
Salted caramel tiramisu cheesecake.
Si
Yun,
Kuya
no?
favorite niya kasi yung cheesecake. Si Kuya Seb, we're treating you today. It's all your favorite.
Puro request ng binata namin to eh.
Yes.
Yun,
Time to try it.
yun no. Ooh.
Naka-small lang.
Small lang din ako, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll save some for next time.
Wow.
Tama na yan.
Yours is big na.
I said we'll save some for next time.
No. That's fine. We can...
Don't sleep muna ha. You can't sleep yet dahil we're too full.
Ito full.
Yeah.
Ano sa akin?
Yes.
Let's enjoy the the dessert.
It's quite
Pudding. Ayan, titirahin ko muna to.
Kuya, kidakili.
How is it?
Yeah.
Is there a
Nice.
hint of alcohol?
No.
More coffee.
Mocha.
Coffee? Ah, okay. Ooh.
Para tayong taste test dito.
Manya-manya? Manya-manya ka no. Di ako naman. Takman kepa.